Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Let's Talk in English, where learning English is simple, practical, and fun.
Hi, everyone. It's so great to see you again. Today's topic is very important for your real life.
Yes, today we are going to learn how to talk about your job in English.
This is very useful for interviews, daily conversations, and even making new friends.
Exactly. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about your job clearly, confidently, and naturally.
So relax, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Lucas, can I ask you something?
Of course, Sarah.
Sometimes I meet new people and they always ask me, "What do you do?" I feel confused. I don't know how to answer well.
That's a very common problem.
Really?
Yes, many English learners feel nervous when talking about their job.
I want to answer clearly and confidently.
Good. Let's practice together.
Okay.
First, I will ask you a question. Ready?
Yes.
What do you do?
I work in an office. I do many things.
That's okay, but we can make it better.
Yes, please help me.
When you talk about your job, use this simple structure. Job title, where you work, what you do, your skills, your feelings.
That sounds very clear.
Let's try again. What do you do?
I am an office assistant. I work in a small company. I help with emails and documents.
Very good.
Really?
Yes, clear and simple.
I feel more confident now.
Let's learn some important words.
Yes.
Job means the work you do.
Job. Simple.
Company is a business where people work.
Like an office or organization.
Exactly. Task means a piece of work.
For example, answering emails?
Yes, that's a task. Responsibility means something you must do.
That sounds important.
It is.
So, Lucas, what if someone is a student?
Good question. You can say, I am a student. I study at university.
Easy. What about a teacher? I am a teacher. I teach students.
Perfect.
What about a driver?
I am a driver. I drive people or goods.
That's simple.
The key is to use simple sentences. Now, let's practice useful sentences.
Repeat after us.
I am a.
Your turn.
I work at.
Say it.
I am a.
Repeat.
I am responsible for.
Again.
I enjoy my job because.
Good.
These phrases are very powerful.
Lucas, do you like your job?
Yes, I do,
Why?
because I enjoy helping people learn.
That's beautiful.
What about you?
Sometimes I like my job, but sometimes I feel tired.
That's normal.
Some days are stressful.
Yes, work can be stressful.
But I like learning new things.
That's a great attitude.
Thank you. Can I share a story?
Of course.
When I got my first job, I was very nervous.
I understand.
My English was not good. I was afraid to speak.
That must have been difficult.
Yes, my boss asked me to explain my work, and I couldn't speak well.
What did you do?
I felt embarrassed. I went home and practiced.
That's strong.
Every day, I learned new words. I practiced sentences.
That's great.
Slowly, I improved. Now I can speak better.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. I learned that practice is the key.
Let's talk about skills.
Yes.
You can say, I am good at communication.
Or, I am good at teamwork.
Exactly.
What about computer skills?
I have basic computer skills.
Nice.
Always be honest.
That's important. Lucas, how do we talk about experience?
Good question. You can say, I have 2 years of experience.
Or, I worked as a cashier before.
Perfect.
What if I have no experience?
You can say, I am a beginner, but I am willing to learn.
That sounds good.
Now let's make your English stronger.
Yes.
Instead of saying, I do many things, say, I handle different tasks.
Wow, that sounds professional.
Instead of, I help people, say, I assist customers.
I like that.
Small changes make a big difference.
Now it's your turn.
Speak with us. I am a.
Say your job.
I work at.
Your turn.
My job is to.
Continue.
I am good at.
Say your skill.
I enjoy my job because.
Finish the sentence.
Excellent.
You are improving. Sarah,
What mistakes do people make?
Good question. Mistake 1, speaking too fast.
Yes, I do that.
Speak slowly and clearly. Mistake 2, using very difficult words.
Keep it simple.
Exactly. Mistake 3, lack of confidence.
Confidence is important.
Very important.
Lucas, do you think a job is important for happiness?
Yes, but not everything.
What do you mean?
A job gives money and experience,
That's true.
but happiness also comes from balance.
Balance?
Yes, work, rest, family, and personal time.
I understand.
You should not only work, you should also live.
That's deep.
Thank you. Here is a powerful tip.
Listen carefully.
Practice talking about your job every day.
Even for 5 minutes.
Speak in front of a mirror.
Or record your voice.
Yes, this builds confidence.
Confidence is everything.
Let's review.
Talk about your job using simple steps.
Job title, company, tasks, skills, feelings.
Use clear sentences.
Practice every day.
Be confident.
And never be afraid to make mistakes. That's all for today's lesson.
We hope you learned something new.
If you like this video, please like it.
Subscribe for more English lessons.
And write in the comments, what do you do?
Yes, tell us about your job.
Keep learning,
Keep practicing.
and see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.